So he's counting on his downloads and his revenue from his platform to offset what really should be that job should be paying, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I want to reach through the screen sometimes and grab those people and shake them and go, God, man, you're undervaluing yourself. And the old me would have said, you're undervaluing the whole damn industry, right? Now it's like, I know that I'm having an impact on people. I know that like we're seeing the change happen in the industry. We are seeing it, and it's not right now. It's not all good for everybody. The change, like if you're a shop owner trying to hire a tech, it sucks. It really does. But I'm trying through the networking and the social media and all that kind of stuff. I'm trying to get people like yourself their story out there. I'm trying to get people that are out there thinking that they can't do the mobile thing and make it work. Trying to like you can anything you want to do in life, you can do it. If you've got the hustle and you're smart about it and you have the skills, you can make money doing this and you can make a good living. But I want people to understand it's not about the clicks at the end of the day, the downloads and all the free stuff that some sponsors may send you isn't why you should do this. You should do that because you want to help the industry. It shouldn't need it for the money, right? If all of that became demonetized tomorrow, I'll still be here. Like as a Canadian on TikTok, they don't send me money. Like that's the other thing that people don't know. Like TikTok, it's not monetized in Canada. I'm not getting money from TikTok for doing this.
Oh, right? Really?
No. So the little shorts and shit, it doesn't pay. It wouldn't matter if the podcast didn't pay tomorrow. You're still going to hear me rant every week about something and tell somebody's story every week until I friggin' think I'm done. Till I don't need to tell it anymore. You know,
it makes you happy.
Well, yeah, because you and I were just talking. Like, this is not about just, I said, you can't stuff the money in your pockets and take it with you, right? You know,
you can't take it with you, and you never see a U-Haul behind a hearse, right?